What's the best affiliate product to promote in 2025? Join me as I dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing to find out what the absolute best product to promote in 2025 is. As we step into 2025, it's undeniable that affiliate marketing has become a crucial component of the digital economy. With more and more people turning to online shopping and digital services, the need for affiliate marketers to promote the right products has never been more pressing. Choosing the right products to promote can be a daunting task, especially for new affiliate marketers. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of promoting a product that seems lucrative, only to realize later on that it's not a good fit for your audience or isn't as profitable as you thought. Many marketers struggle with this, wasting valuable time and resources on products that don't deliver. This is why making informed decisions is key. You need to understand what your audience wants, what the market trends are, and what products have the potential to drive real results. The consequences of not doing so can be severe, from damaging your reputation to losing out on potential income. Unfortunately, it's all too common for affiliate marketers to get caught up in the hype of a new product launch, only to realize later on that it was all just a flash in the pan. This is why it's essential to take a step back, do your research, and choose products that have real staying power. Moving on, let's talk about the types of affiliate products that are projected to be popular in 2025. One area that's definitely worth exploring is health and wellness. With the growing awareness of the importance of self-care and holistic living, products that cater to this niche are likely to do very well. Another area that's gaining traction is sustainable living, with more and more people looking for eco-friendly products and services. E-learning is another area that's set to boom in 2025. With the rise of online learning and education, affiliate marketers can tap into this trend by promoting courses, software, and other digital products that cater to this niche. Online business and entrepreneurship is another area that's likely to do well, with many people looking to start their own online ventures. When it comes to selecting the best affiliate products, there are several criteria you should consider. First and foremost, you need to look at the product's reputation and credibility. Has it been reviewed positively by other users? Does it have a strong brand presence? You should also consider the product's potential earning potential, as well as its relevance to your target audience. After researching and analyzing various affiliate products, I'm excited to reveal that the top affiliate product to promote in 2025 is a platform that offers a comprehensive suite of digital marketing tools. This platform is perfect for entrepreneurs and marketers who want to take their online presence to the next level, and it's an area that's likely to continue growing in the coming years. What I love about this platform is that it's incredibly versatile and can be used by marketers of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this platform has something to offer. Plus, the earning potential is huge, with affiliates able to earn up to 50% commission on sales. Another reason why I think this platform stands out is that it's constantly innovating and updating its features. This means that affiliates can be confident that they're promoting a product that's always at the cutting edge of digital marketing. In summary, choosing the right affiliate product to promote is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer. By understanding the trends, doing your research, and selecting a product that meets the right criteria, you can set yourself up for success in 2025. Gap 3S. In this chapter, we'll explore emerging trends in affiliate marketing shaping the industry. AI, machine learning, and data privacy are revolutionizing affiliate marketing. These technologies enhance data analysis and personalized marketing. Data privacy is critical for transparency and trust. Voice search and blockchain are also key trends. Optimize for voice search and leverage blockchain for security. Stay ahead to thrive in the evolving digital landscape. Let's explore case studies of successful affiliate marketers. We'll gain insights into effective strategies and approaches. Sarah's fitness passion led to a thriving affiliate business. Authenticity and engagement were her keys to success. James excelled in the smart home niche with detailed reviews. Emma thrived in beauty by sharing honest reviews. Passion, authenticity, and adaptability are key. In this chapter, we'll discuss essential tools and resources for affiliate marketers. Analytics platforms like Google Analytics, SEO tools like RFs, and content creation software like Canva are crucial. These tools help you optimize your strategy, create engaging content, and track performance. Social media tools like Hootsuite and email marketing platforms like MailChimp amplify your reach. Integrate these tools to enhance productivity and achieve better results in your affiliate marketing journey. The future of affiliate marketing is full of exciting possibilities. New marketing channels like TikTok and Clubhouse are emerging rapidly. AR and VR offer novel ways to engage audiences. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing personalized marketing. Blockchain ensures transparency and reduces fraud. Ethical and environmental considerations are becoming crucial. Embracing innovation is key to thriving in this evolving landscape. In the ever-expanding world of affiliate marketing, one element that often goes overlooked is the power of community and networking. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals can significantly amplify your success. Imagine being part of a community where you can share insights, strategies, and even challenges, all while learning from others' experiences. Networking isn't just about making connections, it's about fostering relationships that can lead to collaborative opportunities. Whether it's co-hosting webinars, guest blogging, or even forming long-term partnerships, the benefits are immense. As the landscape of affiliate marketing continues to evolve, having a reliable network can provide you with the support and resources needed to navigate new challenges and seize emerging opportunities. Furthermore, online communities and forums can be treasure troves of information. Platforms like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and specialized affiliate marketing forums offer a wealth of knowledge, often from seasoned marketers who are willing to share their expertise. Engaging with these communities can provide you with the latest industry trends, tips, and even exclusive deals that you might not find elsewhere. So as you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, don't underestimate the value of community and networking. These connections can be your gateway to new ideas, strategies, and ultimately, success. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, you're never truly alone. There's always a community ready to support you. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What affiliate products do you think are going to be big in 2025? Be sure to check out another video on affiliate marketing strategies that I'll be sharing soon.